Thanks for the opportunity. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The Honorable Advisor, Professor, Lecturer, and Committee, and the Honorable Participant from various backgrounds in the 9th International Seminar on Tropical Animal Production or ISTAP 2021. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lucia Komala Widyastuti as a first author from Faculty of Animal Science, Universitas Gadjah Mada, Yogyakarta, Indonesia. I'm presenting about our research and the title is Reproductive Performance of Bighorn Goats in Different Agroecological Zones in Bantul Regency, Yogyakarta. Introduction. Livestock sector has an important role throughout the world along with a significant increase in population and not accompanied with land area increasing for agriculture sector, especially in livestock raising. Livestock sector also participates in the gross domestic product of agriculture sector in 15.87%, which are various commodities such as poultry, ruminants, and non-ruminants. One type of small ruminants is widely developed in the community, especially rural community is goat. Goats have many advantages such as requiring less feed, better in digesting fiber, not requiring a large space for raising, less labor required, and high adaptability to the environment. Many advantages of goats supporting the distribution of goat throughout Indonesia and become the leading livestock commodity in various regions, which is Bantul Regency, special region of Yogyakarta. The breed of goats in Bantul Regency is developing and has the potential to become germplasm consisting of Bighorn goat. Bighorn goat is the result of crossbreeding between male kacang goat and female Great Etawa goat. Distribution of Bighorn goats in Bantul Regency in various agroecological zones consisting of lowlands and hilly areas, and these differences will have an impact on the feed availability. In the lowlands, intensive farming system will produce feed source like agricultural residues and waste, while in the middlelands and hilly areas are dominated by moor and forest. So, the feed availability are leaves. These differences can affect the reproductive performance of goats. This research aims to investigate the reproductive performance of the Bighorn goats in different agroecological zones in Bantul Regency, special region of Yogyakarta. Material and methods, time and place. This research was conducted from October 2020 to February 2021, located in two agroecological zones consisting of lowlands and hilly areas. The lowlands agroecological zones in the Pajangan subdistrict and the hilly areas agroecological zones in the Delingo and Imogiri subdistrict. Research material. Material in this research were 45 farmers who divided into 21 farmers in the lowlands and 24 farmers in the hilly areas. Farmers were selected by purposive sampling method, and the criteria are having more than 1 year raising experience and raising Bighorn goats. Goats used were 80 doses of Bighorn goats, consisting of 40 doses in the lowlands and 40 doses in the hilly areas, with the criteria that they have given birth at least once, had healthy reproductive condition, and not sterile. Research methods. This research used a survey method with direct observation and interview with farmers to the research location. The data obtained were then analyzed descriptively and quantitatively with statistical analysis using the independent sample t-test to aim differences in reproductive performance in the lowlands and hilly areas using the Statistical Product and Service Solution or SPSS 16.0 for Windows program. Result and discussion. Overview of the research location. Bantul Regency is one of the regencies in special region of Yogyakarta province which has lowlands to hilly areas agroecological zones. Administratively, Bantul Regency is bordered by Sleman Regency and Yogyakarta City in the north, Gunung Kidul Regency in the east, Indian Ocean in the south, and Kulon Progo Regency in the west. Result and discussion. Human resource capacity of farmers can also be known from farmers' ability to detect estrus. The percentage of farmers who have the ability to detect estrus with excellent scale in the lowlands is higher compared to hilly areas, while the highest percentage is dominated by farmers with less scale to detect estrus in different agroecological zones. Most of the farmers manage their reproduction mating method of goats naturally. The mating methods carried out by farmers because they still use traditional system to raise goat, and it can be seen on the highest percentage of farmers' ability to detect estrus are less. The average age of first mating of Leghorn goats in the lowlands is 9.6 months and in the hilly areas is 11.07 months. This result is lower than previous research by Wardani and Gunawan in 2014 of 11.6 months and Budi Satria et al. In 2010 of 14.9 months in the lowlands and 13.8 months in the hilly areas. This is due to less knowledge of farmers about first age of mating for female goats. So, when the female goats show estrus signs, farmers will find a male goat for mating immediately. There was no significant difference from length of pregnancy of goats in different agroecological zones. The average length of pregnancy in the lowlands is 5.07 months and in the hilly areas is 5.1 months. This is appropriate with previous research by Murjito et al. In 2011 and Budi Satria et al. In 2010 that the length of pregnancy from goat is 5 to 6 months. The age of first kidding from Leghorn goats in the lowlands is 15 months and in the hilly areas is 16.7 months. The average age of first kidding influenced by difference from first age of mating and service per conception. Postpartum mating or PPM in the lowlands is 4.75 months and in the hilly areas is 4.9 months. PPM in this research was longer than previous research by Wardani and Gunawan in 2014 of 4 months in first group and 4.3 months in second group. The longer PPM is due to the fact that farmers will only mate their goats after they have finished breastfeeding. Kidding interval in this research are 9.32 months in the lowlands and 9.37 months in the hilly areas, and there was no significant difference in different agroecological zones. Kidding interval in this research appropriate with Thomas Zewska et al. In 1993 statement in Murjito et al. In 2011 that kidding interval of goats raised in the lowlands was 9 to 13.3 months. Litter size in the lowlands is 1.62 goats and in the hilly areas is 9.37 goats. Result in this research lower than previous research by Murjito et al. In 2011 that litter size number were 1.73 goats. Conclusion: the reproductive performance of Leghorn goats is better in the lowland than in the hilly areas in terms of first age of mating, first age of kidding, postpartum mating or PPM, and litter size. This is thought to be influenced by the farmer's ability to detect estrus in the lowland agroecological zones has a higher level in excellent ability with 28.57% than in the hilly areas. Thanks for your attention. Good afternoon.